expect that your video should be on landscape, not on portrait. You know, a lot of TikTok videos are on portrait, and people like that portrait using it. But TikTok, the owner of this app, said they need landscape. So, and you are using TikTok app to make a video, and most of the time you just put it like this because you don't know how to turn it when you are done with landscape. That is what I want to tell you now, teach you now. So let us go. Let me show you how you can use TikTok on its own to record your video on landscape, and how you can post it. It will be on landscape. Now go to your TikTok account and put your phone on a landscape mode, and you are recording now. When you are recording, when you are done recording, you click. When you click, you see edit on top. Touch that edit button. Touch it. When you touch it, it will take you to this place. When you go this place, there's something like look like scissors for back here. You touch it. When you touch it, take you to rotate. See rotate. You touch rotate. You rotate it to position like this. That is normal. Then you need to write text. If you want to write text, you go to text. When you touch text and write, leave it inside the video. That is what I'm trying to educate you again. Apart from showing you how to rotate it and keep it inside. Keep your writing. As I'm writing now, if I write finish now, you see where I keep it. But because if you keep it outside, they will turn it to portrait. So that is why you need to keep it inside. Whatever you write, keep it inside, so that it will still be on landscape. See how I will do it now. You see where I position it now. You can position any other place inside, not outside. Otherwise, they will keep it on portrait. So that is the lesson. Then, if you want to extend the writing, you click, you extend it to reach your video. If you don't want to extend, you leave it like that. So that is it. When you are done, you can add any other thing you want to add of portrait and other things you know about before, which you can add. After adding it, your video is good to go. You can post it on portrait, because a lot of people don't know that you can still do you can still do landscape videos using their TikTok app, their TikTok, to do it, because TikTok is an editing app too. So when you are done, you are ready to post. You see it now. You post your video. That is done. Thank you.